everyone, I am Echo D. Abalos and I'm here to present to you my co-researcher.
I'm JP Gabaya.
I'm Prince Landesa.
And we are here to present to you our topic, searching algorithm. So, our topic is all about searching algorithms. Searching is the process of finding a specific element within a collection of data like arrays, lists, or trees. These elements can be numbers, letters, or even records. There are different types of searching algorithm such as sequential search, binary search, linear search, and hashing. Each of these methods has its own way of locating data, and the choice depends on how the data is structured and what kind of problem we are solving. So here's Mr. Cabaya to explain to you the statement of the problem.
The main problem in searching algorithms is that not all methods work efficiently in every situation. Some algorithms are fast but require shorted data, while others are simple but slow for large data sets. Because of this, it becomes difficult to determine which algorithm is the best to use. Factors like time complexity, space complexity, number of comparisons, and type of key must be considered to choose the most sustainable algorithm.
So here's Mr. Landesa to explain to you the methodology.
Methodology. In this study, we started by reviewing different searching algorithms such as sequential search, binary search, linear search, and hashing. We also analyzed how keys are used in searching. Keys can be internal or external, and they can also be clarified as primary or secondary. This helped us better understand how data is accessed and identified during the search process.
And this is the next. We have to discuss the findings. So our findings show that each searching algorithm has its own strength and weaknesses. Sequential search is simple but not efficient for large data because it checks items one by one. Binary search is faster and requires fewer comparisons, but it only works on sorted data. Linear search is easy to use but becomes slow when dealing with large datasets. On the other hand, hashing provides very fast results, almost constant time, but it needs more memory and proper handling to avoid errors like collisions. And this is pros and cons. Mr. Gabaya, can you explain it?
Pros and cons. Each algorithm has advantage and disadvantage. Sequential and linear search are easy to use and work on unsorted data, but they are slow for large datasets. Binary search is efficient and fast, but it requires the data to be sorted first. Hashing is the fastest among them, but it consumes more memory and can be complex to manage. So, choosing the right algorithm means balancing these pros and cons based on the situation.
And here's the conclusion.
Conclusion. In conclusion, searching algorithms are very important in computer science because they help us locate data efficiently. Different algorithms like sequential search, binary search, linear search, and hashing offer different benefits and limitations. There is a single best algorithm for all situations. The best choice always depends on the type of data, how organized, and what the problem requires.
And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.